Morning everyone, it's Ed at IU Cars. This morning we've got this 2013 Mercedes-Benz CLS. This one's a 350 CDI. It is a sport model with the AMG kit. It's finished in Cavernite blue, which is a really good colour. It's got the soft beige leather, 19-inch alloys, 85,000 miles, 8 or 9 services. Really stunning looking car. Absolutely beautiful. Proper colour combo. As I mentioned, you've got the glass sunroof. Quite a rare option on one of these. Look at the shine on it. It's beautiful. Front and rear parking sensors with the reverse camera. It's got your command navigation, your memory pack, heated seats, all your bits and bobs. Careful if you're looking at others. Some of these don't come with any spec at all. Don't confuse this one with others. It is a well-spec'd one. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll just show you inside. We'll start with the boot as usual. All nice and clean. Really good sized boot on these. Got your locking wheel key, toolkit, handbooks, etc. They're all present. Inside, as I mentioned, it's got the soft beige leather, which if you look at that for a contrast, that is what you want with a Merc. Isofix in the back, centre armrest. Obviously only a 4-seater, these are a 4-door coupe. Gorgeous. It's got the contrasting stitching as well. Obviously it's got the same in the front. Tiny bit of wear on the driver's seat. But nothing really. As I've mentioned, you've got your memory pack. It gives you electric front seats, driver and passenger, and electric steering column. It's got folding mirrors, auto lights and wipers, paddle shift, all your usual bits and bobs. Your heated seats just here, climate control, your command navigation, your cruise control with your speed limiter, electric steering column. If I've not already mentioned it, sunroof. The vehicle has done 85,623 miles, so really sensible on the miles. I'll just crack her up so you can see there's no warnings. All your lights illuminate and go out as they should, apart from the fuel light. That's normal. We'll just wait for the entertainment system to load. So you've got DAB radio, FM radio as well. No, I don't want to look for a fuel station. All your radio stations. We've also got, if I can find it, there we go, CD, memory card, USB, interface, and the all-important Bluetooth audio, obviously normal auxiliary. We do have navigation, and then there's various other bits. Video, I think you can play a DVD, etc. if you want, and your Bluetooth telephone. Heated seats are all working. Your climate control down there. Your cup holders just there. Glove box. And that's really it. This car's priced to sell. We do offer finance. All our cars come with a warranty, with a new MOT and a service. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. Thanks for watching.